Well, guys, I bought a new toy. My 5950X showed up. Way better than my i5 9600K. You could watch me testing this video on that processor. But guys, this is so much better. Look at my frame rate right now. And look at the settings. Look at the settings, okay? So we are at 1440p and we are on the low settings. So this is 1440p low. I will turn the settings up, maybe after each death or just after a few minutes, and we'll see how things go. Am I getting shot at while I'm looking at the graphics settings? Stop. Hey. So, when I said after each death, that one doesn't count. So, 1440p low. Let's get into a more demanding situation, more people running around, that kind of a thing, and see how it goes. So, like I said, this is basically how fast can this processor go? Although I will mention, this is at stock. I literally built this PC this morning. I just finished installing Windows, updating it, getting the latest graphics drivers. If you're wondering if anything is overclocked, the answer is no, not the CPU, not the GPU. Am I running smart access memory? No. So, all of that is no. This is basically stock stock 5950X. And a stock RX 6800 XT. And check out the performance. We're over 150 right now. It doesn't always stay over 150. But if you're on a 144 hertz monitor, which a lot of people are, this will get the job done. Got him. Hey, got another one. Got him. I've got to say, I can't even describe how much better this feels to play than it did on my other processor. That one was bouncing all over the place. It could get to 100 frames per second or more, but it would get all these spikes down low that felt terrible. Now notice that I am a little bit CPU bottlenecked here at these settings, so the GPU could probably handle higher graphic settings. You might be like, wait, CPU limited, look at the usage percentage. Well, that's because there's 16 cores, 32 threads on this processor, but the game can't actually use them all. If you look at the GPU usage, it was not at 100%. So the CPU was not feeding it as many frames or a graphics quality as it could handle, just because the game wasn't capable of feeding the CPU. Okay, so now we're at medium settings. There's a lot going on here. The GPU is occasionally the limit, but sometimes it is not. But we got vehicles flying around here. This is a fairly demanding situation. Looks like there's a glitch on my targeting reticle, isn't there? I get stuck with those red lines. Don't think those are supposed to be there. Can I find some enemies? Yeah, I think I mentioned everything's at stock. No smart access memory. Could test all that out in the future. Did I mention that my new RAM's not here? So the CPU could actually do a little bit better if I had new RAM. This is 3000 megahertz at CL15, 16 gigabytes from my old build. All my parts showed up except for my new RAM. So in the future, my 3600 megahertz CL16 RAM should be able to do a bit better. But honestly, that'll be a few frames, a couple percent most likely. It shouldn't be a night and day difference here. So this is for the most part giving you a pretty good idea of what the CPU can do at stock with, mediocre RAM.
One down. You're welcome.
All right, am I out of ammo? Okay, can I get more ammo? Do I just run over a weapon? What do I do? I don't know how to play Battlefield, guys. Okay. I think I have a new gun now. All right, let's go prone and change the graphics settings. Since I was going to change every death, but apparently I'm just too good at this game, even though I don't play Battlefield. Okay. Seems like as long as I don't spawn or get killed with somebody shooting me in the back, I do all right. So where should we go? It looks like I've got this place under control. Is there a map? I'm pressing M. Oh, there's a enemy vehicle. What is this gun? Do I have grenades? I'm pressing G? G? Oh, there's a death. Let's spawn somewhere a little more interesting. Oh wait, can a teammate request a revive? Or is that an enemy? We're getting overran here. Let's skip. Alright, what were these graphics settings? We weren't on those very long. Should I keep that a little bit longer? Let's try a new area. So I'm jumping in over here. I spawn and die. You know what? These settings must be bad luck. Let's try Ultra. So, what can a stock RX 6800 XT and stock i5, no, I keep saying i5, I gotta use this, 5950X do at 1440p Ultra? Can I just mention again how much smoother this feels than on my old CPU? Well, I haven't tested out mid-range CPUs. I'm hoping that you don't require a $750 CPU to play this game smoothly. I'm hoping something, you know, equally fast, but with like 8 cores would probably be performing about the same, because I think that's probably about all the game can take advantage of. So here at Ultra settings, we're definitely more GPU limited. We still see spikes where the CPU does seem to become the limit, and the GPU is not fully utilized, but we're more frequently near full usage. Oh, we got somebody coming in here. Ah. Can I hide? I want to heal. Wait, can I revive? Oh, he's not even dead. I don't even know there was like stuff down here. Ah, it's an enemy. Can I throw grenades? Oh, was that my own grenade? Did I just kill myself? Wait, I just got 2 kills out of that, didn't I? Did I just read that score thing? Am I actually doing well? I'm like 9 and 2 or something? No, 2 assists. I can't even read the scoreboard, guys. I don't know how to play. Okay, was that Ultra settings? I think it was. So this is probably a good place to stop. Overall, I've got to say that this is feeling really good now. But I hope you can use a lower end system than mine to get a good experience. Maybe I'll test this out at 1080p, maybe some 4K again now that I've got the better GPU, or maybe this will be it. I'm actually having fun. Should I end the video? I should probably end the video. Hope all of you have an excellent day.